Hi friends, welcome to Digital Tech by Vignesh Balaji. So in this video series we are going to see spread operators. We are going to see in detail about spread operators and what are the uses that spread operators provide. So basically it is used for formatting the arrays or making a copy or objects as well. So let us see in detail by an example. So first we will see inserting arrays. So basically I'll give a definition like what spread operators. So spread operators can expand another item by splitting an iteratable elements like strings or objects or any other arrays into an individual object. So like basically what it says is that like you can actually use spread operators to insert that particular array into another array, or you can combine, you can do concatenation, you can do a copy and everything. So let us see that in detail. So first I'll take up the browser console. So first we are going to see insertion of arrays. So let me define an array, that is car. So I have the names of the cars here: Audi, BMW, Toyota. So I define a car. Now I have to add more cars. So I'll define another variable, more car. So just what I want to do here is that like I'm going to add another car, that is Ferrari. So I have to copy this particular car array here. So what I will do is that using spread operator, I just put a 3 dots in front of the car variable and close the array. It is just like I have an like I'm inheriting the features, or I'm getting the data of the car here and combining with Ferrari. So if you see here, and if I try more car, so you can see Ferrari, Audi, BMW and Toyota. So this is how you basically like merge another array with the more car. So there are another thing like it is copying. Suppose I have more car now, so I just want to copy that into a new variable. So that is called copy car. What I have to do is that I have to open the square bracket, I have to put 3 dots, I have to place more car and close it. So this is copying of an array using spread operator. So if I type copy car, so you can see the copy of the more car here. So this is basically it about copying. So we have seen inserting, copying. Next we are going to see concatenating. Suppose you have like 3 variables. So we will define another set of cars. So const car 1. So that will have define another set of cars like Tata, Maruti and Kia. So now what I'm going to do is I want to combine car and car 1. So what you have to basically do is that console result. So you have to open a square bracket and car and car 1. So this is how you do concatenation. So if you print the result, if you type the result or so you can see the concatenation happen: Audi, BMW, Toyota, Tata, Maruti and Kia. So this is about concatenation, and we are going to see spreading of elements to a function call. So what I will do is like I'm going to use car as a parameter for another function. So I'm going to define a function sell car. So that will take 3 parameters, that is f1, f2 and f3. Okay. So now I'm just going to do a console log. Console.log of F1, F2 and F3. So now we have to pass car. So how will you do that? So you just want to call the function and use the spread operator car. So this will print you 3 cars, Audi, BMW. Similarly, you can do it for car 1 also. So this is how you basically use spread operators for a function call. And finally, a string to an array. Basically how you would have used split. Split based on the double quotes without any spaces. You would have converted a string to an array. Now we are going to convert string to an array using spread operators. So I am saying digital tech. Okay, so I'm just going to convert this string into an array. So what I'm going to do is that and just use a spread str. So this will basically convert that into an array. So this is how it works. And you can also combine objects using spread operators. Let us see how we will do that. So I'm going to define obj1 name of Vignesh Balaji and age 25. So this is the first obj that I define, and second one that I am going to define is obj2. So that will have country in there. So now I have to combine all these properties of obj1 and obj2. So how will you do that? So I'll assign it to another thing, employee. Just the same thing, like how we did do it in arrays. You had an open and square bracket. Here you have to open flower bracket and 3 dots, obj1 comma obj2. Okay, sorry, a different name. Yeah. obj2. So employee, what is that? I think it's a reference error, right? So let's try doing this in a different name. So that employee 1. So if you type employee 1, so you can see all the properties has been combined to a single object, and you can see the name, age and country, everything. So this is basically how you combine objects. So and to recap, we have seen inserting of arrays, copying an array, concatenating an array, spreading elements on function call, and converting a string to an array, and combining objects. So these are the basic, mostly we have covered all the basics or basic views of spread operators. So that's pretty much about spread operators. So please do subscribe, like and share it if you find it useful to your friends, and thanks for your time.